if you have a Weber Jumbo Joe like this right here, I'm pretty sure you want to do more than grill. You know, utilize this kettle right here and get some smoking done on there. So if you don't know, simplest way that you can do that is by doing the steak method, and I'll show you how. I'm going to be using B&B Competition Oak briquettes. So let's get started. Alright, get your briquettes that you're going to use. Dump some out. So, what you want to do is start off with your first layer. And you know, the briquettes, they're going to come in different sizes, you know, depending on what brand you get. These B&B, they are a little bit bigger than Kingsford, but they work great. Really, all you're doing is just get this one out. Just going across, going around. I mean. Now, I'll say this. As much as I like the B&B briquettes, the Kingsford briquettes are a lot easier to cooperate with, getting the circle coming around. So essentially this is what you want, just to go around like that, and then you get top layer. Just like that. Again, if you need more, get some more. Get it to go. And the last one. So since just like that, and you can keep it going, you know, further out, but the thing is, how are you going to light it? You can get you know, 3, 5, 6 of the briquettes. You can either light it up here in the pit, or if you have a charcoal chimney, get it lit up there, and then once that's hashed over white, then you can get them depending on which side you want your snake to start off. If you want it to burn off on this side first, then you'll just essentially just pile it, put it together, and then it'll slowly burn out to this side. So if you're doing long cooks, like, you know, pork butts, a brisket, you can fit a brisket in here. If you get a small one, you know, a whole pack of brisket. Once you get to the end, and if you still need time, say you're about, these coals are lit up and everything else is gone, well, you just go and you start up another side of the snake to go around like that. So different size briquettes, like the Kingsfords, they're smaller than the B&Bs. These, as you can tell, they're a lot bigger, but I'll tell you, these B&Bs, they work great. Just to sum it up, get your choice of briquettes, what you think is going to work best for you. Get a layer down, first layer going around, and a second layer. And also too, if you think that even 2 layers going around like that might burn too hot, you're having trouble controlling the temp, you can also just go and have 1 briquette going across, just like that. So 1 on top going around like that. If you think that, you know, you're having trouble with controlling the temps, because it's just, it's not just laying it out like this and then you're good to go. You know, you will have to adjust your bottom and your top vents to make sure that, you know, you want to try to get down to as close as temperature that you're trying to get, 225, 230, 240, 250. You know, if you're trying to go flow and slow. Obviously, if you're trying to go hot, open up your vents and let it rock and roll. But this is just a simple thing to do if you have a Weber Jumbo Joe. You know, it's a great tabletop grill that you can use as a smoker. Essentially, just it's a Weber Kiddo with tiny legs on it. You know, I mean, you can buy the 18-inch Weber Kiddos with the 3 legs and the wheels. You know, I think they run, I remember seeing a 120, 119, something like that, like at Home Depot. This right here I bought, well, this one I bought at Academy for $75, but they've gone up to $90. But it's still great. Let's say if it's just you, a couple of people, you want to grill, throw on that meat for you and those other people. For you taking it out, you got camping, this is perfect. Well, thank you for stopping by. Hopefully you learned something. If you don't know about the snake method, you know, if you're trying to utilize your Weber Jumbo Joe to more than just grilling, this is a perfect right here, snake method. Simple. You won't go wrong with this right here, trust me. As always, folks, thank you for stopping by. Smoke on, everyone.